BQool is going to Vegas. We will be joining this year's Prosper Show on March 23rd to 25th to anticipate some revolutionary and exciting new features coming in 2020. Come and have a chat with our Eric and Jeremy at our booth. But Eric, what is Prosper Show and how can our followers find you?
Well, for those who don't know about Prosper Show, the show is an annual conference that's held at the Westgate Hotel each year, and it's an event actually that can provide you some best practice educations, some good networking opportunities for Amazon sellers. So if you happen to be attending this year's Prosper Show, and you can definitely feel free to drop by at our booth 609, where we will be handing out free swags.
Free swags, that sounds awesome. But most importantly, you will have an exclusive chance to learn more about the exciting new features that are coming to BQool. So Jeremy, can you just give us a sneak peek about what the new features are?
We went back to the drawing board and looked at what are some of the challenges that are preventing you from reaching that next level. And with that, we've made some of the biggest updates ever. We wanted to create a solution for you along the Amazon seller's journey, which also includes product research and keyword research. So join us at the Prosper Show to learn more about how we can support your business needs.
That's great. And to celebrate the Prosper Show 2020 and the release of a new BigCRM update that was just released on February 23rd, we're having a 50% off for 3 months for all our new BigCRM subscribers.
Yeah, fantastic news. And as we continue to upgrade BigCRM, you'll be able to enjoy more desirable features like product and keyword research that will soon to be added into the software.
Yeah, that's great. Really exciting things are coming. If you're not able to come to Prosper Show, you can just subscribe to the channel and you will receive notification about the new features coming. But if you are coming, then we're obviously looking forward to see you in Vegas.
See you at Prosper.
See you at Vegas.